that you've ever heard. 400 miles in a beat-up Ford van. Got a Marshall stack and a master plan. The rhythm's in the tires, the bass is in the blood. We're pulling this spirit right out of the mud. And the motorway is humming like a low-toe string. Gonna know what the midnight's gonna bring. We're past the point of the maybe and if. Just give me a beat and a solid gold riff. It's a roll of the dice, it's a spin of the wheel. Keeping it steady with a heart made of steel. Down the A1, she's in the light. Rivet Union's coming for the town tonight. No more sir and no more please. We're bringing the big smoke down to its knees. Yeah, we're rolling, rolling the dice. The pub's got a stage made of plywood and sweat. The best kind of medicine that you're gonna get. Free chords, the truth, and a pint on the amp. Lighting a fire under every street lamp. From the North Sea coast to the London rain, where the heavy-duty link in the working chain. The sparks are flying off the strings tonight. Everything's heavy and everything's right. Dust on the floor. Now we knock it loudy on a different door. 1, 2, ready to go. Turn it up to 10 and let the boogie flow. Keeping it steady with a heart made of steel. Got me A1, chasing the light. Rivet Union's coming for the town tonight. No more sorry and no more please. We're bringing the big smoke down to its knees. Yeah.